Okay, here you can see we've got the Gardiner adapter for traditional tools, and I'm going to show you it can be used for much more than just a Quick-Loq. We've got an unger handle here, put it in, and you can see you've got grip at the end there, and because it's square it won't spin around. Here's an Ettore channel. Same thing, you can see my hand this makes the handle disappear, but when you put this on, not only gives you length, but it gives you more control because you've got that square point at the end. And now an old sorbo handle, same thing, quite small, pretty hard to control. This is a bit longer now, same thing, it grips better. And lastly, we've got the wagtail handle, and it fits in to this handle also, and it'll give you a better grip also. And at least try it once and see how it goes. I think you'll notice a difference. I hope this helps anyone that may have a problem holding the handle. And I suppose, well, that's about it.